Starting with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. In this video, I'm going to teach you past perfect continuous tense in detail. Those students who have problems with past perfect continuous tense, they must watch this video. After watching this video, they will not have any problems with past perfect continuous tense. In this video, I'm going to teach you its structures and its definition, and you will know all about its usage, that how we can use past perfect continuous tense. But before getting to its structure, we will talk about its definition. Do you know what past perfect continuous tense is? Past perfect continuous tense is used to show the length or duration of an action that was in progress before another action or time in the past. Now, as you can see, its structures. Well, the first one is positive structure. In positive, what do we say? First, we need to use subject. This is the subject. Subject is she here. And had is helping verb of past perfect continuous tense. And then been, she had been. And then verb ing, studying, verb and ing, studying. She had been studying biology course. She had been studying biology course for 2 years. For 2 years. This is the rest of the sentence. And after past perfect continuous tense, we use simple past tense. And simple past tense starts with subordinate conjunctions. When, before, after. Well, these subordinate conjunctions we use or by the time with simple past tense. Simple past tense always starts with before, when, after, and by the time. Years before she graduated. This is simple past tense. This is simple past tense. Well, the first one is past perfect continuous tense, and the second one is simple past tense. She had been studying biology course for 2 years. This is past perfect continuous tense. Before she graduated. Before she graduated. So this is simple past tense. If you want to just change this statement sentence to negative, then you need to apply this structure. Again, the subject. You will have subject. If I say she, again she had, it becomes an okay note, hadn't or had not been working here for 2 years or for 3 years. We should always use for, because here we are going to talk about the time. For 2 years or for 2 months. By the time she went to village. By the time she went to village. Look at past perfect continuous tense. She had been working here for 2 months. By the time she went to village. By the time she went to village. This is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense, 2 months. By the time is subordinate conjunction. And this is simple past tense. Well, it means that first she worked there for 2 months, and after this she went to village. In this sentence, she had been studying biology course for 2 years. Before graduation, she had to study the biology course for 2 months. It means first she studied biology course for 2 months, for 2 years, and then she graduated. Then she got the degree. And this one, she had not been working for 2 months by the time she went to village. By the time she went to village. It means she did not work there for 2 months by the time she went to village. And then she went to village. Before going to village, she didn't work there in that factory or in that office. If you want to change this one to interrogative, we use had at the beginning. Had at the beginning, then we go for the subject. Had she or he been living in Pakistan for 9 months or 9 years when she studied okay, when she studied in Afghanistan, suppose Afghanistan, this one, had she been living in Pakistan for 9 months when she studied in Afghanistan, it means that if she had, or if she studied, if she lived there in Afghanistan before studying in Afghanistan. Got it? So this is a question. We ask a question. We can change past perfect continuous tense to question by using or by bringing had to the beginning. So this is all about past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is pretty simple, pretty easy. First, you need to use past perfect continuous tense, and then you need to go for simple past tense. And before going there, or before using simple past tense, you must pay special attention to subordinate conjunctions. There we use subordinate conjunctions like before, when, after, and by the time. Well, so you need to go for adverb clause. And when you go for adverb clause, so you can change adverb clause to adverb phrase if possible. And for more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.